What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to create review posts into WordPress website using rich snippets. And what are those results? Let me show you. When you see these star ratings, results and number of votes that you used to see into Google search results, these results are called rich snippets, and most specifically these ones are related to reviews. So imagine the following scenario: you are a blogger and on your blog you did write a post called iPhone 14 Pro review. So how to make this post appears using these star ratings is what we're gonna learn into this video right here, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics, not just international sites favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is of course write your post. So go to our WordPress dashboard, posts, add new, write up your posts, try to follow our SEO recommendations, go to YouTube and just type SEO writing Visual Modo and you're gonna get a lot of videos from us explaining how to write a good post to rank on Google. After this, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here in order so you can learn how to apply these rich snippets, this structured data fields on your WordPress blog for free. Okay, it's very simple. I have a video for this. 5-minute setup is really simple and you can enter this results right here. But after this made, go back right here so we can learn how to use the Item Review. From the configure rich snippet, you can click into these options and select the rich snippet that you want. We have a lot of options. We have events, person, product, receipt. For receipt, we already have a video tutorial explaining how to do this, okay? But we have software application, video, article, and service. And in the case that you want, so into this video, we want to use the Item Review. So click right here. A new field gonna appear and we need to enter all of the information. Reviewer's name. Enter the name of the reviewer into the post author. Can be the person who reviewed this or the blog name. For example, Visual Modo. Okay? You can enter your blog name. Item reviewed. What is the item? If iPhone 14 Pro. Let's get the code. Item review type. Event, product, receipt, software application or video. It's a product, right? So product name, iPhone 14 Pro. Product price, we need to enter the price of this product. It's normally currency, it can be US dollars. Availability, in stock, out of stock. This is most in the case that you have a shop on your site for products, okay? But if not, you can just leave as it is, okay? No problems. Then your rating, you need to enter the rating. So we have 5 stars review. So in this result we can change according to the review. For example, if you like the product or you don't like the product on your review, okay? This is really important. After completing all this information, after optimizing your post, you're gonna click into the update button and you're gonna see your Item Review post. Of course, into the post layout, okay, into the post front end layout, nothing gonna change. But if you go to Google as soon as your post ranks, it's most like the post gonna appear just like this option right here, product review or Item Review, okay? So we're gonna be able to see more results like this. Just don't forget to enter on your post, on the featured image, an image for this product, okay? An image, it's really important, okay? Just a small fix right here, okay? I did enter the currency symbol, but we need to enter to the currency code, so USD, okay? And that is. We can change this in the case that you prefer, okay? It can be, for example, an event, product, receipt, software application, or video, but I think product fits better for this eating review, and that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borders WordPress plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site, or Enzo WordPress theme in order to customize your site for free with an amazing WordPress theme that lets you do this, or Growth with 3ws.net platform in order to submit your site for receiving or publishing guest posts for free. Moreover, and as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your WordPress website, count on our support to help you building your page, unlock access to our full templates library that are a library of hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock access to all of those features and many more. And I see you later. All the best!